Hey guys, my name's Connor Shalander. I'm the co-strategy and scouting lead for the Secret City WildVlogs, and this is my 4th year on the team. And here's our WildVlog for week 4. Starting off the week, we designed the rear and front bumper mounts. These are designed to have the bumpers slip on from either side and use pins that drop in to secure it in place. And also, Saturday night, we mounted the front and rear bumper mounts. Monday night, we ran the pneumatic tubing to the ball shifter, and you don't see a lot more done because tasks didn't necessarily get finished, but a lot got worked on to get us to where we were later in the week. A similar thing happened Tuesday night. We measured our axle lengths in CAD and then compared it to the axles on the drivetrain, and then we cut them. We use our lathe to put snap rings on there to secure everything on our drive shafts. Wednesday, we added 2 talons and 1 solenoid to our belly pan that has all of our electronics on it. We did that to enable us to control our Game Ready cube manipulator later on in the week, because the way that it was set up previously, we only had enough talons for our mini sims and enough solenoids for our ball shifters. And then also Wednesday night, we completed our Game Ready drivetrain. When we say Game Ready, we mean that in order for this to be done, we could have a drivetrain that we could actually go put on the field and play with. Thursday night, we fabricated a prototype of the wrist in our cube manipulator, and the wrist is if you think about an arm and a wrist, that's how our mechanism looks like it'll end up working. We fabricated the prototype of that and tested that Thursday night, and Friday night we finished the Game Ready cube manipulator. That has a similar definition of done as this task, where our Game Ready cube manipulator needed to be able to pick up cubes off the floor, out of the portal without dropping them on the ground, and deliver them to the switch. So it only had, for this week's goals, we just had to be able to play a low game, but there's more to come. Friday night also, we finished the auto code. This week went pretty well. I'd say better than last week. We actually got a lot more done, meaning that we could actually say we completed the drivetrain and we finished the cube manipulator rather than only getting parts of everything done. We decided this week to really focus in on a few things. We had to make some tough decisions on what to pursue and what not to pursue with the resources that we have. And based on those judgment calls, we worked a lot more efficiently and got these things done. Next week, we plan on finishing the CAD for our Alpha robot and sending off the raw materials and the files to get machined, and hopefully we can get assembling.